Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today's Friday, June 24. The time is 2:30 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of the pound yen. This is a 60 minutes chart. We can see we ended with one here at 168.7 and now is looking to pull back or to sell off, so that means we are currently within this wave 2, right? So this wave 1 we are currently within wave 2, and within the wave 2 the subdivision is in the form of a WXY structure. Okay, so the first W is in a zigzag ABC, and then the X is also an ABC, so it's a three waves, and then another three waves downs, right? So WXY technically is a 7 swing, sometimes also called a double zigzag, but that depends whether the subdivision all is in a zigzag or not, something like this. So that's a WXY. This is a zigzag here. Is this another zigzag WXY? And we can see this one, we are looking for an ABC. So that means when we finish with this ABC over here, that ABC should be ending a W in the minor degree. Or this could be 1, 2 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending A, which is also possible, right? I mean, the structure really doesn't really matter that much. What's more important is looking for the downside as long as we don't break above 168.7. All right, so let's take a look at a couple of observation here, right? And also what's the option we have. So if we look at the subdivision here, it does look like a so far it does look like let's double check here. We got a divergence at the lows right here. So counting it as a 5 waves definitely is possible, right? It is valid. We got turning down arrow here. What that means is simply that we don't actually have any bearish sequence. We only have one swing here, and in order for this view to be validated, in order to have a lower low sequence, we actually have to break below W, right? And the idea, this is with 1, that is telling us that in fact this is in the higher degree, this is actually bullish, right? This is with 1, so that means we are now correcting in a WXY. So I'm just copying this to the daily time frame. So now once we finish that correction, then that should technically be a wave 2, right? So something like this, and then should be going up. So that means it is actually bullish if you look at it from the larger degree, right? So this one here is looking for this, it's a 7 swing pullback, so it's correcting this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So we got a 5 ways up from December 2021 being corrected in, this is diagonal by the way, just in case anybody curious why overlapping and all this stuff. So then we're looking for a 3 swings pullback or 7 swing pullback in this case before the next leg up. But overall, as you can see, based on discount, the higher degree is bullish. So for the time being, we are calling for a possible double correction, but until it breaks below W, so technically you don't have the full confirmation this is going to happen. So for example, but several observations we can see here is the idea that the rally from here, it does look like a 3 waves, right? The rally from here, so it seems like it is not ready to extend to new high again, because the rally so far looks like a 3 waves. In other words, it's not ready to finish to here and starting the next leg up, right? So it seems like we can see for the downside, and this is helping us with the idea that another leg lower is a possibility. Now this also looks like a 5 ways, but I mean, if I want to, I can change this to an ABC, let's say. I mean, I can change it like this, ABC, and you know, suddenly then you will complete the correction and then go up. But again, I think what's more important is this one. So far it does look like a 3 waves, so that kind of supports the idea that I think we could still see another leg down. So shorter cycle, then I think the key is not to break above X again here, right? As long as we don't break above the X again, I think we have a chance to continue to go down, extending lower, and to do a bigger correction here in the pound yen. Okay, now again, no bearish sequence yet because we have not broken below the previous low and does not have a lower low. Once we break below W though, that will confirm we're going to go down to the next 100% extension of the WXY, which can give us a target towards 159, all the way down to 153. But this is going to be in the support area if it really does come down, because again, the larger degree, if you take a look at the larger degree, it is actually bullish. Look at the daily, we continue to make a new high, right? The yen bears are bullish, right? The yen bears are bullish. It continues to make a new high. So right now, if it does a pullback, then we can expect buyers to continue to come in because it continues to be bullish. So they continue to buy any pullback in 3 waves for the next leg up. Okay, so that's the idea for today. And as always, if you want to get regular updates on Forex, commodities, indices, stocks, cryptos, we do have 14 days trial, and the link can be found in the description of the video below. So I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.